Hey guys, this is Zoe from CJdropshipping. We posted a video about how to disable a banded Facebook account last month, and we got really positive feedback. Thanks a lot, guys! Really by coincidence, right after we post that video, Facebook account banded, what to do if Facebook account was disabled. Our Facebook ad account has been disabled. We managed to get our account back successfully by using the method I was mentioned in that video. Check out our previous video here. To find out why our account has been banned, we also contact the Facebook official agent for more information. During the process, I find out some Facebook new rules. I thought I have to share with you guys this valuable information about the Facebook new policies. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up to help out our channel. And don't forget to subscribe to us, CJdropshipping. Facebook new policy. Starting from November 17, 2020, the new policy of daily advertising budget limit and the restriction of new account opening amount has been implemented, aiming to increase the number of high-quality customers. Let's take a look at the new policies. First, daily advertising budget limit. For new Facebook account owner who didn't open their account with a Facebook agent, after opening an Facebook advertising account, this account owner will have an initial daily advertising budget limit of $450. Second, hierarchical setting of daily advertising budget limits. Facebook divides the risk level of ad accounts despite the new registered account or old account and sets different daily limits. The limit amounts from high to low are $1,500, $450, $350, and $100. This division has no negative effect on low-risk advertiser. Instead, they can enjoy a higher advertising budget limit than usual, while high-risk user will be placed with a lower daily advertising cost limit. Little reminder, if your account has been removed from the daily advertising budget restriction and your account has high risks in the review, in this case, Facebook will still reset your account's daily serving limit. 3. Restriction of new Facebook ad account number. In July 2020, Facebook issued a new policy that some advertisers can only create up to 7 advertising accounts. 7 new advertising accounts refer to the total number of accounts opened by all agents, and will continuously adjust the number of new accounts based on a risk assessment of the main ad account. And this time, Facebook extended this account number restriction to all Facebook advertisers, whether existing users or new registered. And the qualification of opening new advertising accounts will be based on the main ad account's risk assessments. The highest risk advertising accounts will lose the qualification of opening new accounts. Other accounts' account opening qualification is limited from 5 to 15 accounts based on different risk assessments. However, this restriction does not apply to low-risk advertisers. 4. Check fan page strictly. Start from Q4, Facebook has intensified its review of fan page. Please pay strong attention to the following points: avatar, cover picture, company profile, posts, fan page name, real interaction with the customer. If there's one point that isn't satisfied, the fan page will easily be blocked. Then it will lead to your ad account being blocked or the ad being banned. How to reduce Facebook ad account risk level. Or this change will affect your Facebook account. Obviously, Facebook more focused on ad account risk assessment now. Watch out the line and follow the rule are always the key. You will have to make sure your Facebook ads follow Facebook advertising policies and Facebook community rules. I have posted these 2 main policies websites in the description. Don't forget to check it out. Other than that, I also summarized some useful tips for optimizing your Facebook ads and reduce account risk level. First, If your personal Facebook account, not your business account, has been blocked or ads have been banned, don't ever try to use related personal information you have used for your previous account to register a new account. This will only make things worse, at least not until before the appeal case closed. Second, create a business account for each subject. Matching the same subject account to the corresponding business account and manage the accounts under different subjects separately. 3. Have a professional fan page. A. Make sure the fan page can be opened normally, open to all areas and the people. Don't hide from some areas. B. Avatar, cover picture, and the fan page name need to be correspond with the brand name. C. The company profile needs to be completed with relevant contact information, website address, company profile, etc. D. Ensure brand consistency, and the posts in the fan page must be consistent with the brand mentioned in the ad link. E. Actively respond to customer needs. Establish positive interaction with customer and reply to customers' complaints and bad reviews within 7 days. 4. Ads must not contain misleading buttons. The button icons in the picture or video are actually fake buttons and cannot direct to the landing page by clicking the fake button. We suggest and remove these elements in your Facebook ads. Start button, post button, fake notification icon, check boxes, radio buttons, or buttons that imply multiple options or actions, and also mouse cursor. 5. Don't add too much text on the ad picture. Consider placing most of the text in the ad text area rather than on the ad picture. If you must use text, please use a smaller font and reduce the text amount to shrink the proportion of the text in the picture. 6. For functional products, your Facebook ad can focus on part of human body, especially when you are promoting fitness products, health and beauty products. You must not use a before and after comparison image. It applies to a lot of content including health condition related, hair loss, skincare, weight loss, and medical or dental surgery. That's all for today's video about Facebook new policy and some useful tips to optimize your Facebook ad. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and smash a like. Share it with your Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest with your friends and family members. Comment below to share your Facebook marketing experience with us. Thank you for watching it. See ya in the next video. Bye!